In this video, I will explain some important things for you to consider when choosing a solar panel. Not all solar panels are created equal. There are many different types of solar cell technologies, such as monocrystalline, polycrystalline, CIGS. However, this video is not an analysis of those technologies. When choosing a solar panel, it is important to consider both how it was manufactured and what materials were used. Within the solar panel manufacturing industry, there are 3 tiers of quality. Companies from Tier 1 are vertically integrated, which generally means that they control each stage of the manufacturing process. They use the highest grade silicon to produce the solar cells, and ultimately, the higher the grade of the silicon, the better the solar panel. These companies invest heavily in research and development and use advanced robotic processes. Tier 1 manufacturers generally produce some of the highest performing and best solar panels. Being a Tier 2 manufacturer doesn't necessarily mean that they are producing a substandard product. What it does mean is they generally aren't as automated and not fully integrated. This means that they don't have control of the whole quality process. However, this being said, there's a lot of Tier 2 manufacturers that produce a good product at a price. Tier 3 manufacturers are normally smaller, less advanced businesses that don't invest much money in R&D, use human production lines, and source their product on the open market. This being said, they don't have that much control of what they're using in their product, and generally, my advice would be stay away from these manufacturers. Once you've looked at the different manufacturers out there, you should consider the qualities of the solar panels themselves. Find out how they perform in real-world situations. Photon Magazine is a well-respected, internationally acclaimed solar trade publication which conducts annual tests in real-world conditions. This shows how panels from different manufacturers perform. The tests include positive tolerance tests, temperature coefficient, and efficiency. Positive tolerance means that you're getting at least the stated output of the panel. The temperature coefficient rating is important to determine what impact heat has on a solar panel's operation. The lower the percentage per degree Celsius, the better. The efficiency of how a solar panel converts light into electrical energy will determine how much power your system will generate. Another important aspect to consider is the embodied energy. This is how energy intensive the process was to manufacture the solar panel, and how quickly it will produce the equivalent amount of energy to offset the manufacturing process. Make sure that you check warranty details of the solar panels you are considering. Once you've chosen a brand of panel, you need to be sure that that brand will be around to honor its warranties. So remember, do your research properly and thoroughly, choose quality components, and it'll pay for itself in the long run.